So I am making up a pork picnic roast for dinner, and this is the way I always do it. So I thought I would hop on here and show you. So I have my pork picnic roast, and I have seared it here in my cast iron Dutch oven on all sides and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Seasoned it with salt and pepper and garlic powder. That's it. And I mean, when I say I seared on all sides, I seared on every single side, even the smaller ends. Now I'm going to put them in here, and I am going to actually flip it over to where the fat cap side is facing up. And I have a cup of chicken broth right here. I'm going to pour that in here. This white vinegar, and I'm going to pour about a quarter cup, and it's not going to taste like vinegar at all. That vinegar is going to break down that pork and make it so flavorful and fall apart tender. It is phenomenal. There is nothing like a little bit of white vinegar in your meat. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven. It is set for 375, and I'm gonna cook it probably for like an hour and a half, 2 hours. Usually I cook it at like 325 for like 3 to 4 hours, but I did not start it early enough in the day to do that. So 1.5, 2 hours, 375. Check out how tender that this pork picnic roast turned out. I can't even get it out of the pot without it falling into pieces. The white vinegar trick is my favorite trick for producing a super tender, flavorful, best ever type of pork roast, pork picnic roast. And yet again, it does not taste anything like vinegar. It is so delicious. This white vinegar trick also works wonders on other types of meat. I especially like to use it when I'm cooking up a tough beef roast or when I'm cooking up some chicken breasts.